It's 15 minutes to 7 a.m. This colourful sun up. You've always got to be suspicious of the colour, folks. That is introduced via these toxic spray lines, folks, from these aircraft. Lithium and aluminium glows. The camera never lies, folks. Come on, you two. So I'm always suspicious. And again, we have this purple haze this morning. But you can see on the road, if you look into the shot, everything is purple tinge to the tarmac, you know, and it's not Photoshop or any colour enhancement from this old Android mobile phone that's not used as a phone. You can't call anyone on it. It's just to take these videos and photographs that are catalogue, capture and time capsule. Definitely, if you look into the shot, you'll see the purple. And I do believe that purple is fallout from the spray lines. It's not red sky in the morning. Certainly not a natural phenomenon, folks. It's just toxins, chemicals, particulates. Call them what you will. Heavy metals of all kinds of shit that we know is raining down on us now that no one seems particularly interested in giving a shit about, folks. So there it is. Come on, Nelly. Through the purple haze. Yep. Through the purple mist. And the point to this video again will be missed by the masses, folks, because they've got their shit-stained glasses that they refuse to wipe clean. Come on, lad, don't eat the grasses. We'll have breakfast in 10-15 minutes when we get back. Just wanted to show you the start to my day and theirs. The fact that, you know, this is a 24-hour, 24/7 agenda. Isn't it, lad? And it's a stealth thing. When I first started doing this, almost 15, 16 years ago, folks, started noticing this and learning about it, I got beyond angry and panicked. And those of you that remember those videos from that time ago that got banned, I was literally screaming my lungs out in anger, in temper, in frustration, in fear. And I kind of believed, you know, that because back up north, when we lived back up north on the high moorlands there, I could film a lot more of these trails. And some mornings, me and the dogs were out at 4:30 in the summertime. In the mornings, we were already up on the moorland for a few hours. And some of the scenes, some of the lines, some of the gridding that we photographed and captured on video was shocking. And I used to stand there screaming my lungs out, spitting in temper in the videos, looking like a crazy guy. to try and get the point across. Was spraying the skies, and I was convinced that this was going to be a quick endeavour. And here we are all these years later, folks, and they're still spraying the skies. Still no one seems to give a toss. Inevitably, over time, my mood has calmed. I'm still angry every time I see one of these aircraft. Every time I still see this shit I'm filming now up in the air, folks. Every time I learn about a fucking vaccine and all the contents in them. I'm sorry about the wind. But I don't get as agitated and angry and upset as I did in those videos, folks. Over time it's calmed me down, but this, I've had to realise that, this is a long-winded agenda. It was never meant to kill us off en masse on a quick scale, a quick time scale, folks. But and I now realise now that this stuff is going to continue no matter what, no matter who shouts and screams about it. We can't really do a great deal about it other than just capture it and record it. And by their own documentation, it's set to continue beyond 2050. I won't be here then. Most of you won't be here then. I know I won't. I'm 63 now, so I won't be here. But hopefully somebody will, and we'll have left them records that may give them the ability to work out and wipe out this fucking evil, horrible, unnatural nonsense, folks. That isn't weather manipulation, that it is actually climate manipulation, because it's an introduced chemical, particulate, heavy metal, ionised, weaponised climate. Military by design, military in construction, military in deployment, and given to us as fake weather. But people believe it is weather. And it's a climate that can be manipulated, it can be changed, it can be increased in temperature, decreased in temperature, to create all kinds of fucking havoc. And people just believe now that we've got this man-caused, and it is man-caused, but it's not weather. It isn't weather. There's a difference between climate and weather, folks. You drop, like I keep telling you, these elements, silver iodides and aluminiums alone, into precipitation, into cloud cover, and you can create all kinds of weather systems, climate systems that are not weather. Sorry. See, I'm getting ahead of myself there a bit. But you can create snowstorms, hurricanes, earthquakes when you introduce the HARP, ionosphere ether technologies into this, folks. The radar, LiDAR, etc. NextRad is another one, and you can research all those things, folks. Cooling the ionosphere, heating up the ionosphere, fracking and cracking the fucking earth, etc. Anyway, first video of the day. The purple still can be seen if you look carefully into the shot. I can see it up in the air, see it down on the ground. Monday, time to get these two back for the breakfast. Get Debbie up again and see what transpires with that shot, folks. For now, I kid ye not. Have a good day.